Sparkle Girls, and today we are going to be showing you how to build a car, and I really hope you guys enjoy. These are the first 20 to 30 steps that we're going to be doing first, and I hope you guys have a fun time. And we are going to be doing, this is the car, and this is the one that we did last time, and I really hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Hi, so as you guys might have known, we are connecting the video at the end, and I wanted to let you know that these are the two characters. They got a bit switched out before. If you take off the hair of this doll, you can actually switch it around to being, oh hi, and a girl in sunglasses. I like her in sunglasses for the most part because they are inside a car. But let's get straight to looking at the more pieces that we've put on and getting all of our things ready. So these are the next pieces for the next step. I hope you guys are excited for the next step to happen because that's going to be end. There's only 50 or 51 steps in this thing, and we've already done 30. So there's about 11 more. So we have 41 more, and I'm just going to put my little guy right there. He's driving, and the girl's right next to him. Basically, the driving. Now, you can move this forward or backwards, and if you're folding the seat under, that is fine. There's a bit of a license plate on the back, and you can connect something to back here. If you wanted a wheel to go here, you can put an extra tire on the back. You can also do that. When you get done with that, though, you can pause and rewind the video as much as you want, and this looks really good. There's the wheels about to spin. You can use this to turn on and off the car. There are these little clock pieces that you can use. This is the front of the car, and this is the back of the car. And this is like the trunk, but it can't open like our other one did with the truck. So that's basically was a turn-in bed and a turn-out bed. There are these little poles that you can move into a fight, and I really hope you guys enjoy for the next part. Hi, it's the Sparkle Girls, and this is the end of our car. I really hope you guys like it. There are some cool disabilities in this. Remember, I said you can always pause and rewind the video when you're watching. Comment down below, click that bell, subscribe, and I hope you have. And comment down below if you think this was cool, and what do you think? What other Lego thing do you think I'm going to be making next? Okay, bye!